This is a video on mathematics for the students of class 9 and we are discussing chapter 15, that is circle. This is third part of the video. Let us see question number 9. We had discussed till question number 8 in the previous videos. Let us continue with the next sum. The question is AB and CD are two parallel chords of a circle of lengths 10 and 4 centimeters respectively, and chords lie on the same side of the center. Find the distance between them is given to us, that is 3 centimeter. We need to find out the diameter of the circle here. So we are assuming that the length OM, that is the distance between the center and the first chord, is x, and we are also given that the distance between the chord is 3 centimeter, that is MN is equal to 3 centimeter. So if I add 3 centimeter to the length of OM, I get ON here. So let us assume this, and the distance between the chords, like I told, is MN. Okay, now AM will be half of AB because it is bisecting the chord here, and similarly CN will be equal to 2 centimeter, that is half of CD, which is because N is bisecting the chord CD. Now in triangle AOM, we can use Pythagoras theorem and find out the value of AO here. So when I put the values, we get 25 plus x squared. Since we cannot further solve it, so I am assuming this to be our first equation. Similarly, I have taken triangle CON. Again, using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the value of the radius here, CO, and with this we got an equation like this, x squared plus 6x plus 13. Now, if you see the diagram, AO and CO are the radius of the same circle. So AO will be equal to CO. So I am putting the values of AO as equal to CO. On substituting, you get the values as 2 centimeter, and we know that 2 times the radius is equal to diameter, that is equal to 2 root 29. So on substituting the values of x, we got root 29 as the radius, and when you put it in the formula for diameter, you get 2 root 29 centimeters. So this is the diameter of the circle. Next question is, ABC is an isosceles triangle which is inscribed. Inscribed means within the circle. If it is circumscribed, triangle will be outside and within the triangle will have a circle. But since it is inscribed, so the isosceles triangle will be inside the circle here. And we are told that AB is equal to AC, which is 12 root 5 centimeter, and BC is given 24 centimeter. So we know that since AB and AC are equal and BC is equal to 24 centimeter, let us solve using Pythagoras theorem here again in triangle ABD, so that we can find out what is the length of AD here. So we get root over 576, that is equal to 24 centimeter. Now remember, 24 centimeter includes a certain portion of the radius of a circle. So if we can find out the distance between OD, which is the distance of the center from the chord, then we can find out what is the radius of the circle also. So I'm assuming radius of the circle to be x. So OD will be 24 minus x, and then using Pythagoras theorem, again we can find out the value of x, which we got as 15 centimeters. So when I'm using the triangle BOD, if you see this is a right angle triangle. We know that the radius is x. OD we got 24 minus x, and since we already know that the chord, that is your BC, is equal to 24 centimeter, so half of 24 is 12, so BD is 12. Substituting the value, we got the radius as 15 centimeter. Next question, we have a similar question, but the triangle is an equilateral triangle, that is all the three sides are different, and AD is again bisecting here. So D is bisecting the chord BC. So again we know that we can assume that the radius of the circle as x centimeter, and since we know the radius is x centimeter, we can find out the length of AD, which will be your root 3 by 2 into sides. This is how we can find out the line perpendicular to an equilateral triangle, that will we got as 3 root 3 centimeter. Similarly, OD is equal to AD minus AO. Again, we are following the same thing, that from the line segment OD, we are subtracting the radius, so we can get the distance of the center from the chord. So distance of the center from the chord can be found out this way. So if the total length is 3 root 3, if I subtract the radius, so we can get the length of OD here. Again, substituting in triangle BOD, we already know OB is x centimeter, BD is, since it is given to us that the side is 6 centimeter, so BC is 6, so half of BC will be a 3 centimeter. Substituting the values, we got the value of x as 2 root 3, which we had assumed to be the radius of the circle. So this is all we have from the video today. We'll continue in the next video.